Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to build a simple countdown timer using functions and a time module. Here, first I am going to take a variable in which I can input my time in seconds. So, time seconds. So it has to be converted to integer. So I am going to use a so now I've taken a t variable where I can input my time in seconds. So I am going to write a function. Yep, a function and pass my variable t, that is my time in seconds. So here I am going to write my logic, take a while loop, I'm going to use a function called div mod. I'm going to pass my time. The 60 is nothing but seconds per minute. Okay, here now what this div mod function do is it returns an and reminder. Okay, so here what my div mod function is doing is it is going to return my reminder and coefficients. Okay. So what are the arguments? It's going to be dividend. First one is dividend, and second one is divisor. Here, this is my function, and it's going to be passed with parameters like dividend and divisors, and it gives me in return coefficient and remainder. So it's named as div mod, where in division we will get coefficients, in modular division we will get remainders. So I am using this div mod to convert my seconds, time in seconds to minutes. And what I'm doing, suppose I'm going to pass 120 or 130 seconds here. 130 seconds is 2 minutes, 10 seconds. So it's going to return a triple. This will be in a form of double. So here I am unpacking them and storing the coefficient value in minutes and remainder value in seconds. So here, if I pass a value of 130 seconds in this div mod, so div mod 130 from 60. What it will return? It will return a tuple which is 2 minutes and 10 seconds. So here I am going to save my 2 minutes in minutes and 10 seconds in seconds. Okay, so that's what here this function I am using for this function for. Then I am going to store these values as in a format in this timer. So here I am going to use this. So 0 to D is it is limiting to pence. Okay. Minutes, seconds of timer. I'm going to use here time dot sleep. So first here I have to import my time package. Import time. Now time dot sleep. Here I am going to use this time dot sleep and pass one. So it is going to sleep for 1 second. That is, it is going to wait for 1 second and then follow this loop. Before following this loop, I am going to decrement my seconds, time in seconds. So every time, so first 130, next 129 seconds, 128 seconds, like that, it's going to be decrement and again follow this loop. So let's run this program once to check how it is working. So here I am going to enter my seconds as 120, it's going to be 2 minutes. Some discrepancies. Check. After timer, just give end is equals to escape character R, which is nothing but it's going to print in same line every time. Here, yeah, here there is no need for zero here. Once again, it's clear. That's clear. You see again, here there is no need for zero. I mistakenly put zero here. And then this end is equals to R is important because it's going to print in same line. If I am not doing that end is equals to escape character R, here it's going to print in different lines like this. But I don't want this. I want to print in same line. So here I am going to is equals to escape character R. It's going to print in same line. So here I'm going to enter 130. It's going to be 2 minutes 10 seconds. Here you can see 2, 8. Every time it's going to decrease 1 second. So this is a simple timer, countdown timer. You can print like after everything completed, you can take print like timer is done. Any statement if you want. Then after the timer is done, it's going to print that statement. Let's do 10 seconds. 10 seconds. It's going to have to print that statement. Yeah, timer is done. Okay. So this is a simple timer, countdown timer.